Welcome back to another video. We've got a new exhaust for the Unity CTR. We have currently the MXP catback on this car, stock front pipe. Really enjoyed the tone when the comfort mode when the valve was closed, sport when the valve was partially open, and plus our individual with the valve fully open. No issues there. Perfect daily driver exhaust, but there was one big problem that I do want to touch on with this exhaust, and I've already brought it up with MXP and their distributor as well, that the rear muffler does make contact with this under tray over here. So while you're driving, especially only in like, first gear, second gear, when you're setting off or you're in a bumpy road, you'll hear constantly this inside the cabin as the exhaust, I guess you can say it just kind of like, yeah. So that was very annoying inside the cabin. Obviously, I can't apply as much force as this car going down the road, and you're constantly hearing that in the interior. So we have the new ARK exhaust that's yet to be unboxed. We're going to put that on, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, ARK definitely did some R&D and, quality assurance before sending these out. I highly, implore that MXP take a look at this ASAP, because without this being addressed, maybe it was a batch issue, it's going to be hard for me to recommend MXP until until that's addressed. Maybe they need to give you better washers, or maybe different rubber hangers that will hopefully lift up the exhaust. Something needs to be done. So other than that, I loved the tone when I was just cruising on the highway, because on smooth roads, nothing perfect. But I have to mention that we have to be transparent on our experiences with all the parts that we test out. So without further ado, we're going to unbox the ARK, and we're going to get started on the removal and then the assembly of the ARK on the car. So packaging is pretty good. The box did not have any dings or damages on it, and I like how they've included a ton of bubble wrap over here. So first things first, what's this box from ARK Performance? Seems to be the hardware, gaskets, 2 of them, nuts and bolts, as well as a single clamp. Put that to the side. Okay, let's start unboxing. Okay, sweet. So with the ARK exhaust, you get a choice between a resonated or a non-resonated mid-pipe. For the videos and the content, I asked ARK if they can send us both. So we do have received both the non-resonated and resonated mid-pipe. This will be an extra cost, obviously, if you want to get something like this. But at least, customers have that option that if they want to make their exhaust quieter or louder, they can choose different mid-pipes. So that's pretty cool. Well, I'll set that to the side, unbox it later. Let's see. I know what that is. That's the muffler already. Hangers over there. So it's going to have hangers on both sides. Put that down. This must be, yeah, that's the resonated muffler there. You can see all the baffling kind of inside it. So a lot heavier than the non-resonated, obviously. This is, I believe, this is the front section that connects to the front pipe. So front pipe comes down to this section first. We're still going to be running the stock front pipe on this car. So until later on, probably going to do down pipe and front pipe at the same time. All right. Rear section just before the muffler. So this is a full 3-inch. I did notice, and I'll point it out to you, I'll bring this back up over here, that there's a slight taper from, I guess, 2 3/4 to a 3-inch, if that really matters. But I just wanted to point that out. And obviously what everyone wants to see is the rear section with the muffler. Where's my knife? Let's see. Sweet. It is polished. Let me put that away. Very nice. So rear muffler, 2 Helmholtz resonators. This is the MXP has 1 Helmholtz resonator, so I'm interested or curious to see how the ARK is going to perform with 2 resonators. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a this is a non-valved exhaust. So my first time trying out a non-valved exhaust setup on an FL5. I think every exhaust except for the HKS high power that we've had on Imi's car has been valved. So this is our second non-valve setup, and actually, maybe we'll do a little comparison between the HKS as well, since these are 2 of the exhausts that don't include valves. Maybe should we just leave that on till the yeah? There you go. Okay, there you go. Okay, leave that in the video. That's funny. Okay, sweet. 25 pounds, something like that. Not crazy heavy. I've held much heavier muffler and rear end. A little baffling on the edge of the tip over there. Maybe that has to do something with kind of just the very end of tone control, but we'll see. So yeah, without further ado, let's go get that MXP off, put the ARK on.
All right, MXP exhaust is off. So 3-inch all the way, resonated, valved, dual muffler with a 3rd Helmholtz resonator over here. Great exhaust. Love the spacing between the tips as well because it filled up the diffuser better. And I typically don't like burnt finish tips, but this actually looked really nice. We're just gonna go ahead and take the valve off. Don't miss these guys. These guys are like 600 to 800 USD a pop, so don't just give these away. The ARK is not valved, but we're gonna have to do something about it just to keep the harness from getting moisture inside it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
right, so this is going to be the light revs and the light drive away.